Hi, my name is Julian Wilson-Dodard, and the game that I've selected based off my name was Jawbreaker. As you can see, it's set in, well, you can't really tell that's set in a candy store, but that's the layout that's supposed to be, or candy factory, sorry. The company that made this game was called Online Systems, and the actual designer of this game is John Harris, the man who actually programmed this game. The most similar game I could say there is to Jawbreaker would have to be Pac-Man. It was actually referred to a Pac-Man clone when it was initially released in 1982. Although it might have been claimed to be a clone, Jawbreaker still won the best computer action game award in 1982. Well, let's go ahead and I'll show you the mechanics of the game now. As you can see here, you start off as a set of yellow teeth, and the big round objects, those are the Jawbreakers. And pretty much the main objective of this game is pretty simple. It's just basically to be able to go around the entire map and collect all the dotted lines. And as you saw, as I just did there, is also to collect the dot that will appear in the center of the map, allowing you to actually get back at the Jawbreakers and be able to eat them. What I do like very much about this game is the fact that you're able to navigate around the map so easily. Unlike Pac-Man, where the only way to exit or to get away was your exits all the way at the end of each side. However, I do think it's a little derivative of Pac-Man, and I think there could have been a lot more variation. That's one thing I don't like very much. Although it's a little less sophisticated, I think that they could have done a lot more into being at least a little more creative with this game, because I feel like they missed out on a lot of opportunities, and at least made the game have a little more originality for itself. I do think it's very unique that they have very restricted borders, unlike Pac-Man, whereas in Pac-Man you could teleport to like basically each side of the map, allowing you to get away from the ghosts a lot more easily. But however, they do have in Jawbreaker the gaps between each line, which allows you to get through easily through each level, allowing you to escape the Jawbreakers a little quicker, and at least obtaining the dots or the power up that allows you to actually eat the Jawbreakers. And overall, I would say that it's just a much better concept. It just makes a lot more sense, because it's a set of teeth eating Jawbreakers. It's actually plausible, rather than a small yellow man eating ghosts, which seems much less likely. However, I don't like the fact that it's such a simple design. I think there's more to be added. Although I do enjoy the fact that it's a smaller map, because that gives you more chances of being successful. It increases your success rate. So there's less concern for losing and having to restart all over again. And you can also play with another player as well, which is pretty great too. They have that multiplayer feature. But all in all, I would highly recommend this game. I think even though it may be a clone of Pac-Man or be extremely similar, it's still in itself its own game, and there's still different features that help it be that. and make it more enjoyable as a game. And I really don't think you can go wrong with playing this game. I don't think anyone would be left unsatisfied. Alright, and that's all. Everyone have a great night.